SEC Chair Paul Atkins has been sworn in, inciting hope for crypto-friendly policies in the United States. It's Tuesday, April 22nd, 2025. I'm Christine Lee. This is CoinDesk Daily. Paul Atkins has been sworn in as the chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Atkins, a former Republican commissioner, was appointed by U.S. President Donald Trump and is widely expected to be supportive of crypto-friendly policies. In an SEC statement, Atkins saying, "I am honored by the trust and confidence President Trump and the Senate have placed in me to lead the SEC. As I return to the SEC, I am pleased to join with my fellow commissioners and the agency's dedicated professionals to advance its mission to facilitate capital formation, maintain fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and protect investors. Together, we will work to ensure that the U.S. is the best and most secure place in the world to invest and do business." His appointment is expected to accelerate the approval of over 70 pending crypto-related ETFs, potentially fostering innovation and a more favorable regulatory environment for digital assets. Across the pond, the European Central Bank has raised alarms about potential financial instability in Europe due to President Trump's strong support for the American crypto sector, particularly dollar-backed stablecoins, prompting calls for an urgent revision of the EU's market in crypto assets regulation, also known as MiCA. The European Commission, however, has dismissed the ECB's concerns as exaggerated, defending the robustness of MiCA and suggesting the ECB misunderstands the existing rules. This dispute highlights tensions between the ECB's push for a digital euro and fears that a surge in U.S. stablecoins could divert European capital and destabilize the region's financial system. Finally, as President Trump's tariffs take effect, how will that impact Bitcoin miners? Well, some Bitcoin mining firms are attempting to bypass U.S. Customs Service controls by underreporting the value of ASIC shipments, using different carriers, or routing shipments through ports with less scrutiny to reduce tariffs and avoid import restrictions. Mining hardware provider Syntec Digital suggests Canada will be a beneficiary to the implementation of the global tariff regime that's been put in place by the White House. These efforts come in response to the tightened seizures of Chinese-made mining hardware, which have disrupted operations since Trump was elected in late 2024. The $30 billion ASIC market is dominated by Bitmain and MicroBT, two Chinese companies that manufacture the majority of these Bitcoin mining machines in Southeast Asian facilities. Industry experts warn that such practices could lead to legal repercussions and further regulatory scrutiny, potentially impacting the broader crypto mining sector in the United States. I'm Christine Lee. For more news in your pocket, download the CoinDesk mobile app available on iOS and Android.